can't believe I'm saying this, but I am finally vlogging. So for today's video, we will be going to Vineyard Tanawan. Ano yung tama? Vineyard or Vineyard? Comment nyo nga yun sa baba. And ask din natin yung mga makakasama natin later. So we are going to Vineyard Tanawan with Nico, of course, and our friends, Ate May and her family. Si Ate May yung owner ng clinic na pinupuntahan namin ni Nico. You'll get to meet her and her family later. Ayan, so for now, mag-get ready with me tayo. So, nagawa ko pa lang is, naglagay ako ng primer. I am using the O2O Pore Sniper Makeup Primer. Yan. Wow! Vlogger! And then, ayan. Tapos, naglagay na rin ako ng chapstick lang sa lips ko. Okay. So, hindi na ako masyadong gumagamit ng foundation kasi feeling ko sobrang bigat niya sa mukha. So, ang ginagamit ko is itong Lux Organic. Alam nyo, sobrang love ko yung Lux Organic. It's not sponsored. Pero sobrang love ko yung mga products nila as in lahat. Mula sa skincare nila. Ito, tinan nyo. Meron din ako nitong retinol from yan, Lux Organic din yan. So, ito yung gagamitin ko. This is the Perfect UV Tint Serum Sunscreen of Lux Organic. So, ito na lang yung ginagamit ko. Kasi skin tint naman siya. Does the job. And since swimming yung pupuntahan natin, so I think perfect lang to. Ayan. So, next we are going to spot conceal using the Get Ready With Me Concealer. Ayan. This is in the shade Cream. Spot conceal lang para hindi masyadong mabigat. After that, let's use setting spray. This is from Intuit Makeup Stay Mineral Setting Spray. From Intuit. Yeah. So while that sets, let's do my eyebrows. Di ako nag-eyebrow. I just use itong Get Ready With Me Brow Lift Max. Actually guys, ito yung first time ko na lalabas ulit. Because I lost my job. I lost my job early October. And it has been really hard for me since I support my family. And ayokong gumastos ng gumastos. So hindi talaga ako lumalabas. And up to now, wala pa rin akong job. It's really been hard to find a job. Especially since December na ngayon. So I don't think there's a lot of companies na tumatanggap. Especially, I came from the government. Sa government ako nag-work. So, wala masyadong tumatanggap since closing of books na. Kaya, hindi ako lumalabas. Because I don't have money to spend. I'm excited. Ngayon na lang ulit ako lalabas. Hindi talaga ako bumibili ng kung ano-ano ngayon. Even coffee. If you guys have been following me for a while on Instagram, alam nyo, or like my friends, also know na addict ako sa kape. Pero ngayon, sobrang nag-lessen na yung caffeine intake ko kasi nga, hindi ako lumalabas. And hindi ako bumibili ng kung ano-ano. Alam nyo ba kung ano yung ginagawa ko these past few days? Yung ginagawa ko these past few days is nilalakad ko yung dogs ko everyday. So, I have 3 dogs. So, I've been working out a lot and super saya ko kasi nabawasan na ako ng timbang. I was 82. Grabe, sobrang bigat ko. 82 ako nung nag-stop ako mag-work and then now I'm 80. So, I lost 2 kilos lang pero that's still a big thing for me. And sana tuloy-tuloy na. We're not gonna do heavy makeup since magsiswimming nga tayo. This is just for picture purposes. Okay. Now that that's done, we're gonna do our blush. This one is from BLK. Actually, it's a lipstick, pero ginagamit ko siya as a cheek tint. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Yay! Okay. After that, mag-ano tayo? Contour. This is also from Get Ready With Me. Super luma niya na. Actually, ubos na siya. Natanggal na rin yung tatak. Pero meron pa siya. Kaya sulitin natin. Yan na. Okay, maglagay tayo ng onting eyeshadow. Okay, and after that, lalagay lang tayo ng powder. Ang ginagamit ko lang is baby powder. Yun lang yung ginagamit ko. Kasi nga, ayoko nung mabigat sa mukha. So, this is just baby powder. So, hindi na ako magmamaskara, mag-eyeliner, kasi nga, magsiswimming kami. And pag swimming mo yun, puro itim yung mukha ko later. After that, maglalagay lang ako ng... Ito, lagi ko ito nilalagay after ko. This is yung Shine Free Matte Ultra Fine Mist from Lux Organic ulit. Sabi ko sa inyo, fan talaga ako ng Lux Organic. Now, let's change. By the way, si mommy yung nagkulot ng buho ko. May trinay lang siya na bagong way ng pagkulot. And I don't think effective yung bagong way niya. Kasi straight pa rin yung iba. Pero, anyways, okay lang yan. Let's change and I'll show you guys my outfit. Okay, so this is the final look. And then I'm gonna pair it with a rattan bag here. Yan. So I got this from a brand that I worked before. And yan, bagay. Okay, I'll see you guys later. What are you doing? Alis na ako eh. Alis na ako. Mocha, alis ako ha. Balik ako tomorrow, okay? Good girl ko lang.
Anak picture.
Mommy, ano? It's a video.
Thank you, Mishka, for giving me this.
You know there's pictures here, but when you look inside, you don't see the picture.
Really? Can I see it?
Look, there's pictures here, though.
Oh, there's a picture though.
There's even a Disneyland picture.
You know what? My nose is bleeding again. You know why? Because of you. Stop Englishing me. I'm panicking. You're not organic.
Going to
Roasted rabbit.
breakfast.
Roasted rabbit?
What?
Wow!
Simbahe!
Bigyan mo na lang kami, Biang. Happy, ah!
Ganito, flex na flex yung muscle ko, nakaganon na ako. Look! Zimbabwe! You have a crown! Zimbabwe! Look, look, look!